here I've decided to start carrying in my car, or the vehicle that I drive the most, or my wife drives the most. And first thing is, these are emergency items. And it's a little chilly out here, but this is a first aid kit, and none of these items here were very expensive, but it comes with just about everything you need to help stop some bleeding or whatever, God forbid anything like that happens. But there's also band-aids in here from what I understand, so if you get a cut on your hand and you're out in somewhere, this is what you go to. It's a cute little kit. You got pouches or cubbies in your car, you can throw it in one of your cubbies and just remember it's there. So there's one item. Another item, now this thing here you can put on your keychain. This is really nice. Doesn't take up much room, and it's something you don't want to ever have to use, but if you did, it even comes with I guess a little tie to attach it to something. But this is a little device that is designed to cut a seat belt or break a window. And it's very simple. You pull that lanyard piece out, and then this little razor blade will slice right through a seat belt. And then put the lanyard piece back. And this piece right here is designed to break a window. You just push it and then it snaps, and you can break a window with that very easily. So it's not a toy. Let's see what else we got here. This right here. This is not the most expensive one of these, but this is very handy. This thing here, I've opened it before. This almost is a must-have nowadays. You don't have to carry jumper cables anymore. This is a thing designed to jump-start your car. It's a small one. This is under 60 bucks. This one here, really nice. Little switch on the side. Turns it on. Lights to show that it's all charged up. Little button right here. Hold it in, and you got a flashlight. Push it again. It flashes SOS. 3 short, 3 long. Three short. SOS. Not only is it a flashlight, or not only does this have a flashlight or an SOS signal, but it also has some USB connections here for charging your phone up or running your small tablet. Take this little piece off here, or loose, and that is where you plug this next piece in. These are the cables. This is a USB connection. The cables here plug right into the back here, and they've got a little screen here that lights up and tells you what's going on with your connection and your battery. So pretty nice little unit, and like I said, this one is under 60 bucks. So in a bit, let's just set it in there for now. I want to try and put it all back together at the moment. Anyway, the last item that I'm carrying in a vehicle, and this is maybe not something you want to carry. I was reading an article on the internet that a lot of times if you have trouble with your car, and there we go, there it is. If you have trouble with your car and it catches on fire, that with the plastics they use nowadays, that they're so harmful that you might just want to leave the car and go and get away from it, not breathe in the harmful fumes. But if you had some like little engine fire or something happen underneath, this would definitely do the job, put it out. You have to watch how hot it gets in your car in the summertime. I'm not going to quote any figures right now, but it will withstand some high car temperatures. I carry one of these in one of my trucks, and I'm not so sure that I'm going to put it in here or one of my other trucks. So it's First Alert. It's a good name, and something you might want to think about. So anyway, that's what I'm carrying in my car, or my #1 driving vehicle, on the keychain with this, and then of course your jumper cables and your medical kit. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Cars, Trucks, and Detours. Bye for now.